You know how it goes. Busy morning, too many things in your hands, rushing to get somewhere on time. That was me a few days ago. I had my coffee in one hand, my phone in the other, trying to juggle it all while weaving through a crowd. And then, it happened. I slipped, my phone flew out of my hand and hit the pavement face first. You know that awful feeling, right? That moment when your heart just sinks because you know your screen is probably shattered. But this time, it wasn't. I picked it up, bracing for the worst, and nothing. No cracks, not a single scratch. My phone looked as good as new. Honestly, I couldn't believe it at first. But then I remembered I had the Eiger Glass Mountain Ultra screen protector and the Eiger North Case on it. That screen protector, it's made from ultra strong tempered glass, so it can take serious hits without breaking, and the case, it's rugged but slim, so it handled the impact like a pro without making my phone feel bulky. I'm usually skeptical about things like this, but after that fall, I was convinced. I've never been so grateful for spending a little extra to protect my phone. If you're like me, always on the go and a little clumsy, trust me, these two products are lifesavers.